talking about some of the things I did in Kemet. So, what we are focused on this corner is how we can say Kemetic people were African. And so, one of the reasons it's good to know that Kemetic people were Africans is because Europeans make all these movies talking about, well, European people started one of the first civilizations in the world, and that makes them superior, because then you think you need European people for everything. But African people were the ones who really started one of the first nations in the world. So here are some ways I know, or some of my proof. Some of them, okay. One is skull structure. So this picture shows a European skull and African skull for the females, and African skull and European skull for the males. And as you can see, the two African skulls on this nose part right there is larger than the European nose holes and the skull. So that's one of the ways that I thought it could prove that the skull is from an African person from my observation. Okay, so Dr. Diop did something called a melanin test. And so he got some alcohol and put it under a microscope. And then, since the mummy skin was very well preserved, he could see how much melanin it had in it. And it turned out that it had a lot of melanin such that it could blind you. And that's another way that you could tell Kemetic people were African. These are pictures of African people. And these are pictures of European people. And you do not see any similarities between African people and European people. Now, European people have the tiniest, tiniest piece of melanin in them, but it's not nearly close to the African's melanin. Now another one is blood type. And so, as you can see in this diagram, European people have, okay, for O plus, European people have 37% and African people have 47%. O minus 8% in Europeans and 4% in Africans. A plus 33 in Caucasians and 24 in Africans. A minus 7 in European people and 2% in African people. 9% in for B plus in European people and 18% for B plus in African people. B minus 2% in European people and 1% in African people. AB plus is 3% in European people and 4% in African people. AB minus is 1% in European people and 0.3% in African people. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Okay.